Hello, everyone, and welcome back into the Fairbanks Evening News. Mike Schultz with you on a Friday evening talking about weather, and we're talking about a good weekend coming up. Temperatures near 20 degrees both Saturday and Sunday with no snow in the forecast and just good outdoor activities to happen. So we'll talk more about that in a little bit. Our photograph tonight, this one's sent in by Matt Moberly, Winter near the Chena. And look at the rays coming through there, that beautiful shot. And again, as always, if you have a photograph to share, please send it to photos@ktvf11.com. Thanks a lot, Matt, for that great photo. Here's your numbers right now. 21 degrees, that's our high for the day. The low last night, 9. Record high in 2002, up to 40 degrees that day. Down to 56 below in 1952. Sunrise not quite about 10:40 this morning. Sunset 3:20 this afternoon, giving us 4 hours and 41 minutes of daylight. That's a gain of 5 minutes from yesterday. Here's what's going on in our satellite and radar. You can once again see the flow is coming out of the southeast. That's where we're getting the warm temperatures. There are a few showers around, but for the most part, they're staying away from the Fairbanks area. A lot of activity across the Prince William Sound area. On our next map, you can see a little rain falling around Ketchikan with 41 degrees there. Some showers in Juneau, 32. Anchorage checking in with 31 degrees and partly cloudy skies. Showers around Kodiak. Up and down the west coast, not too bad. 31 degrees for the high at Nome and 9 degrees at Barrow. So for this time of year, that's incredible for Barrow. And all the way up to 1 degree for Fort Yukon. A few days ago, they were near 40 below. Here's what's going on across the lower 48. Rain moving back in the picture over the Pacific Northwest. Nice weather up and down the west coast. A little chilly around Denver. Some showers around Dallas. Things have cleared out in the Minneapolis area. And over the southeast, a little Florida showers, I should say, activity going on there. And on the map, just lots of cold temperatures. That's all reflected by the white on this satellite picture, infrared. And you can see a little bit of snow, shower activity. In fact, these are what they call lake effect snows going on. And it's going to bring up to 4 feet of snow in Watertown, New York. And near Buffalo, also, once again, some very heavy snowfall. You can see the gauge showing here almost more than 1.5 feet of snow expected there. And the jet stream for next week is taking a dip once again, way across down to the south, helping to bring more cold air and reinforcement there across much of the lower 48, rain up and down the eastern seaboard. Well, back to Alaska for tomorrow in the northern sections. Mostly cloudy skies for Barrow and a few snow showers for Nome area, with also some snow showers possible at Fort Yukon. Here in the interior, we'll be looking at, for the most part, scattered flurries at Fairbanks and Haley, mainly cloudy skies at Delta Junction. Southeast Alaska, we'll be looking at a slight chance of rain for Juneau, and rain is likely for the Ketchikan area. And over to the southwest part of the state, rain and snow for Cold Bay, cloudy skies at Bethel, and rain showers at Kodiak Island. And if you're heading on down to the Anchorage Bowl, we're looking at cloudy skies in Anchorage, foggy at Homer, and rain and snow in Valdez. Okay, time once again for our kids' weather, and wrapping up this week with our kids from Pearl Creek Elementary School. But tonight, let's hear from the teacher with an interesting weather fact.
Hello, I'm John Sassman, and this is my 4th grade class. And we have a weather fact to share with you. Class, did you know that Valdez, Alaska receives more snow than any other city in the United States? Wow! They average 27 feet a year, while here in Fairbanks, we usually get close to 6 feet in a winter.
Not quite that much this year. It's been kind of a lean snow year for Valdez. Thanks to Mount McKinley Bank for sponsoring our kids' weather. Next week, we'll be joined by the kids from Salcha Elementary School. And it is a Friday night, which means our winter trails report. And as you can see here, it should be a great weekend with all the resorts now open. All the slopes will be groomed, and temperatures will be in the mid to upper teens. And snow machiners, be wary of possible avalanche dangers. Again, thanks to Northern Power Sports and Beaver Sports for sponsoring our winter trails report. Forecast for tonight, 13 degrees, the overnight low, mild compared to what we've been going through. A few snow flurries are possible. Tomorrow, once again, a few snow flurries possible, 23 degrees for the high. And the extended forecast, looking at a very nice day on Sunday, 24 degrees, and then cooling down a little bit, but still way above for this time of year. And the same will be said for the overnight lows, again, way above normal for this time of year. All in all, a great weekend setting up for all your outdoor activities.